Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add images on your blog post in WordPress. So first of all, you can see we are on our WordPress dashboard panel. So we need to go on the post option to post a new blog. So just here you can see we already have some existing post here, so we can edit it or we can create a new post from here. But I just want to create a new post, so that's why I will click on add post option. Once you click on add post option, they will redirect you to this panel. Here you can create a new post. They are asking for title, so you can give a title. I will give a title that will be how to upload image. Once I submit my title, I have an option to add further elements in this page, so I will click in this option, add blog option. So once I click here, they will give me images option, so I will click images, and here you can see our element has been added to this page. So I will go to media library. Once I go to media library, I have here in image, but I want to upload a new image to my blog post, so that's why I will click on select page, and then I will click on this SEO images. So here you can see our image has been uploaded to our pages. So right now I will click here in select button. Once I click in select button, you can see our image has been published to our blog post. So now we need to do something else, like I can resize this image, I can reduce the size, I can edit it, I can do anything I want right now, but I just want to leave it like this way. So I will click on publish. Once I click on publish, the post has been published and anyone can view it right now. So right now I'm going to view it. How is it looking right now on our page? So you can see it's look really nice in our blog post, and we also have a comment option, so we can leave our comment here. So if you found out this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button.